Welcome to Legal Tender.
Good morning, welcome to Legal Tender. I'm Cody Gunn, and I'm here with Alex Thomason, but today's an amazing day because it's Little Person Day.
It is.
There's a guy who he's highly educated.
Yep.
Hey, listen to him, you can't even stop talking. Who's highly educated, and he's an immigration judge in Seattle. He said something that blew my mind, and I thought, you know what? We've got to do a radio show about this.
Put it to the test.
And we're going to put it to the test to see how smart this guy is. So here's what he said. He's an immigration judge, and he does all these immigration hearings. Well, he said, look, the kids don't need to be represented by counsel.
No, they don't need a lawyer.
I've taught immigration law to 3- and 4-year-olds. They can understand it. Right. He goes, it takes a while. You have to be patient, but they...
You're going to have to, by the way, you need to go to ltmedia.tv to see who our special guest is, who now is laying down in the chair. So
No, he's under the table now. He's hanging in the chair.
Why don't you get back up in your chair?
Get up in your chair, buddy.
We brought a 3-year-old in.
We brought a
and we're
3-year-old.
going to test this judge's ideas. We're going to test their opinions.
So this is Judge Jack Weil from Seattle, and he is the assistant chief immigration judge over there. And he actually said that, I'm going to quote him. This is from a deposition that was taken. I've taught immigration law to literally 3- and 4-year-olds. It takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of patience. They get it. It's
Right.
not the most efficient, but it can be done.
So let's do this.
So let's do this.
Let's introduce our clients.
Harris, turn around, buddy.
Mr. Thomason, turn around. Would you say good morning?
Good morning.
How old are you today, young man?
How old are you? How old are you?
No, how old are you?
How old are you, Harris? Harris, how old are you?
3.
Now, Harris, I'm going to ask you a question. Do you recognize this? So today we had a judge. Harris? You know, Papa goes talk to judges all the time, don't I?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you ever been to talk to a judge with me? Sit up so we can talk to the phone. Talk to Papa. Have you ever talked to a judge before?
No.
Okay, let's play a game. I'm going to pretend to be a judge today, okay? Okay, sit up. Let me ask you a question.
I'm done.
Do you recognize this form? I'm handing you what has been marked as Exhibit Number 1, which is Form I-485 Application for Register Permanent Residence or Adjustment of Status. Do you recognize that form? Speak in the microphone. I can't hear you. Can't nod your head. What is it?
I made that.
You made that.
You made it.
Okay, so I'm going to. For those of you, you can look online. You can look and see here. This is what is that, Cody? What are we looking at here?
Well, this obviously says who he is,
Right,
where
yes.
he was born, his
Yes.
parents, his citizenship status, his social security number. It's right there. It's all
Nice.
there.
Good job.
Yeah.
Harris, what's this? What is this document? Do you recognize this document marked as Exhibit 2, which is form number I-361? Do you recognize it? Oh, that's Xavier's. Xavier.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because we do have 2 guests today.
Ah.
2 guests today. Harris, let me ask you a question, buddy. Where'd he go?
He went on the thing. But look, remember, we have a judge. We have a judge in Seattle that said that, hey, a 3-year-old can represent himself without a lawyer these immigration matters. So we're holding a mock immigration court.
Harris, let me ask you a question, buddy. Have you ever claimed to have superpowers, such as Superman, Batman, Captain America?
No.
Harris, do you know what today is?
No.
Today is St. Patrick's Day, and my concern is that you're not from the United States, that you're from Ireland. And my concern is that you are a leprechaun.
Are you a leprechaun?
You have red hair and you're short. And it's St. Patrick's Day.
I think he might be a leprechaun.
So I need you to, Harris, I need you to answer the question. Are you here to steal our pot of gold?
No.
Harris, there's a few things that I want to read to you before we conduct our hearing, because this is required under Section 4.12, Section B of the immigration documents. So are you ready? You're done? Are you ready? Xavier, I'm going to ask you a question. Do you come here before the court today in a pro se manner? No. No, you're not? Are you represented by legal counsel? No? See, this judge in Seattle thought that they could come here without their own lawyer. I don't know what he's talking about. I think he's doing a great job. I don't think he's a lawyer
fantastic.
At all. Excellent job. Xavier, I need, before we go forward, are you ready? Are you ready? I need to advise you of a couple of your rights. The right to an attorney at your own expense. Do you understand what that means? Okay, good. Do you understand you have the availability to free and low cost? There are some low cost counsel that you can locate. There's a list that's been posted at the entryway of the door. Do you understand that? Yes? Just go ahead and say yes. Say loud. You're just shaking your head, but say yes.
Yes.
Okay, good. I'm glad you understand that. Do you understand that you have the right to present evidence? You have the right to cross-examine witnesses. Do you understand that? Okay, good. I mean, this kid is shaking his head. Yes, he gets it.
Dude, I mean,
Why else do you need a lawyer?
I see what Jack Weil was talking about.
Excellent. Do you guys understand your rights that you can present pleadings before the court?
Yes.
Do you guys understand that you have the right to file applications as well as an appeal if you're denied by this body?
Yes.
Oh, this is too easy. Do you guys understand that you have the right to be able to fill out this G-235 or the 325 biographic information
Yes.
before our hearing? Excellent. Are you kids here to work?
No.
Or are you here to be on vacation?
You know.
Harris, is it scary to be in front of a judge?
Yes.
Why is it scary?
Because when you get close, they might put you in jail.
They might put you in jail.
Good job. Are you guys, after our hearing today, are you guys going to jail?
No.
Should we deport you to your country of origin?
Put Uncle Otis in jail.
Harris said put Uncle Otis in jail. That's a good call.
That is a good
And
call.
as the judge,
man.
I may do
Hey,
that.
Pass the offering plate. We're done here.